a wealthy family living near the ocean. The only child was a boy named Neil. Neil was an arrogant, selfish, and violent boy, and the next best thing in a chance at his 18th birthday.
Nice to meet you. I prepare for you. I hope you like it. Birthday, Neil.
What's this? Toy plane? You gotta be kidding me. Look at me. I'm 18 years old. I won't birthday anymore. Now you have to give me a wash to apologize.
It's my family's. I feel I can.
I don't give a damn what it is. Just give it to me or else I will shut down all your factories.
Okay.
Can anyone make something decent? You! Yeah, you! Give me a cup of hot cocoa and put marshmallow on it.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir, I'm sorry.
Hey! What do you think you're doing? Don't you know it's my favorite soup? You got soup. Now you have to give me your... I have to get out of my way. I'm clean up. You're fired! For you guys to do the right thing. Who the heck are you?
Well, I'm only here to give. This is a pocket watch. And it's a birthday gift for you from me.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Isn't it a pure gold?
Indeed it is.
Now that is the exact part I want. You can all be my house. Over.
First things, the party ended a few weeks ago. Neil had been playing the pocket watch. He received from the mysterious elder every day and night. One day, when he was working on the beach.
Neil, come here, will you?
Wait, what? How do you even know my name?
Lay down the major. I have something good to show you. Do you want to go to a place with me?
Sure. Hey, what the?
When they reached the end of the tunnel, they had to travel back 10 years in time.
Hey, why are you floating above the ocean?
Shh, look.
Hey, so this is the problem that my family has been so proud of. The ocean. What's up with that ship?
For years, more and more wastes dumped here by humans. Wastes polluting the whole ocean, and the creatures living here have already turned toxic. But you humans still catch them and end up as a dish at your dining table.
Oh my god, what have we done? Our selfless actions of dumping waste in the ocean. What we didn't think is that waste will come back to ourselves. We shouldn't dump it in the ocean. We should protect it instead.
Finally, you understand. You didn't waste my effort taking you back 10 years in time. Remember
to meet you too. May I ask, what kind of work do you have here?
There will be water. One of the most important things in most of our work. Is it not?
Yeah.
And the reason that we never run out of water is because of the cycle of water. I believe that you have done such thing in your work.
Yeah.
And my job is to watch over the cycle and my people.
Man, it sounds so boring. I mean, doing the same job over again. I know, I just got here, so why don't you show me around?
I would love to. However, I must do my job to prevent any kind of crisis.
Is this the attitude you should treat a guest from far, far away? You need know. You must show me around your kingdom.
Fine, I will show you around, but I cannot keep you company for too long. Penny, my dear, come and help me to maintain the order of the cycle. I will be back soon. Of course, Your Majesty.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my goodness! I have to go back and fix it right!
Chill, she just promised something.
No! You don't know! If I do not go back, most of our world will be destroyed!
Oh my goodness, that's terrible. Let's go.
Your Majesty, I am so sorry. It's okay. We can still fix it before it is too late. Neil, please come here and help us.
My pleasure. Now I understand that do his duty. And I'll finish every unfinished job of mine while I'm at my house. And respect everyone for doing what they have been doing. But first, I must apologize to Catherine. Catherine, I'm so sorry brought crisis to your kingdom. Truly sorry.
You finally understand the importance of responsibility and how to respect others. I believe that it is time to send you back where you belong to. Goodbye, Neil.
And Neil, this is a gift I especially prepared for you. I hope you like it. Happy birthday, Neil.
Good for me. You all coming to my party. Just have a cup of drink.
Of course, sir. What will you do at
I don't like the coffee.
Of course, sir. Your drink was prepared yet. Oh, sir, I'm sorry. I will sit up closer to you. I'm truly sorry.
Change it back, my son. I'm more concerned that if you got her or not.
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Okay. So, this is pretty good.
Of course, we are always beside you, but you just didn't notice, and they want to have some words with you.
Thank you for changing the ocean's environment. And learn that maintaining the ocean's environment is also maintaining human beings' rights. You did a great job.
Thank you.
I was mad at you at first for telling me to do
learned a lot of things during your trip. I'm glad that I gave you that pocket watch.
Your parents have changed me. I will do everything I can to improve both of our world and dedicate my life to tell this lesson to everyone. May I ask who you are exactly?
We are composed of water, one of the most important elements of life. Remember what you learned, for it is the foundation of your successful life.